I learned this trick from a chef. It's easy and delicious. Let's start by putting a whole chicken in a bowl and setting it aside. In another container, add a chopped onion, 2 chopped tomatoes, salt to taste, cumin to taste, 4 crushed garlic cloves, black pepper to taste. Mix everything well. Don't forget to leave the name of the city you're watching this recipe from. That way, I can thank you and send you a hug. Now I'm going to put the vegetables on the chicken and spread them out well so that the seasoning adds to the chicken. At the end of this video, please rate this delicious recipe from 0 to 10. That way I'll know how much you liked it. Then cover with plastic wrap and leave to marinate for 30 minutes. This chicken recipe will surprise you with how delicious it is. Cut up 4 potatoes like this and put them in a bowl. After I made this recipe here at home, everyone asked me for the secret of this recipe. Add salt to taste, black pepper to taste, paprika to taste, oregano to taste, olive oil to taste. Using my hands, I'll rub these seasonings all over the potatoes. Let me know if you like chicken or beef recipes. In a baking dish, add a drizzle of olive oil and spread it around. Place the potatoes on the baking sheet. Then place the chicken on top of the potatoes. Now I'll add the vegetables on top of the chicken. Finally, I'll put it in the oven preheated to 230 degrees for an hour. And our chicken is ready. It was extremely delicious and tasty. Thanks for watching, see you next time and bon appetit!